This is Prasad. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how to download a quiz statistics from the Canvas portal. Of course, this is one of the flipped classroom activity what we planned in our regular classroom lectures. So students are going to watch the video before coming to the class, and they will practice at their home. If any doubts and the problems, we are going to solve in the classroom, real-time classroom. Of course, this is one of the fruitful method which we can use pedagogic strategy. And yeah, meanwhile you can think about flipped classroom and all, so that I will navigate my video to canvasinstructure.com, which I already conducted TCA2 examination by using this method. Yeah, see here, these are the quizzes what I conducted as a TCI examination. Term continuous internal evaluation part 2. In the recent month only we conducted October 2017. Of course, here the total 40 points I provided for attempting the 30 questions. Of course, 10 questions are for 2 points weightage and 20 questions are 1 mark weightage. So let me show all the things to you. See here, as I mentioned in the previous OERs, I clearly mentioned the instructions for the quizzes and all. Here I mentioned, of course, here not attempted, I consider as a native marking option. Of course, there are native marking options are available in this. Total quiz type, grade, points, assessment group, to whom I exactly attempted, all everything. If you want to see as a preview of this quiz, just a minute, I will show you the preview of this quiz as well. See here, there are question 1, 2, 3 in this window it is showing. Of course here also, but at a time I provide only one question. Of course, the what you can say, to avoid the copying, what I included in this is I included random options available. See here, the other student the same options will not be possible here. Go through, even though I use the LaTeX formatting for using the mathematical formulas, inserting the mathematical forms and MCQ bits. Okay, and the randomization of questions also I adapted here. And let me show you how to analyze this quiz, exactly how to analyze this quiz for grading and all. So click on this. This is the quiz portion only I explained. Now I am going to explain the how to analyze this quiz by downloading the statistics. I request you all of you to click on the quiz statistics. So here observe clearly, once you of course here exam is conducted, all the people are added in my portal, and after that I conducted the examination. That's the reason it is showing the all the deviations and student responses, average score, highest score, low score, and average time. Actually what is the time taken by the student to attempt this quiz and all, and clear cut question wise analysis. How many people are opt for first option, how many people are opt for second option, and how many people are exactly given the right answer. See, this question is more than 70% answered correctly. So each question wise analysis, so that where we can the question is mapped with our outcome, then we can easily measure the outcomes, course outcomes or program outcomes. Anyway, next we'll go for item wise analysis, and of course each student wise analysis if you want to go for, then click on it, and total Excel report will going to download. In that each and every question, how much percent of time he is taken to attempt the answer, and everything will comes in this way like this. Let me give it time, I will show you the Excel sheet. Yeah, this is the entire clear cut report where you can observe each and every student result here. Apart from this, I'm going to explain one more option here. Just give me 2 minutes of time. Click on the quizzes, and here one more option is available, that is what you can say, moderate this quiz. Click on it. For example, if you want to moderate this quiz for individual student, you can, for example, this is a student, you can click on it. He attempted maybe 10 questions are wrong answers, and not attempted. Here I provided initially I mentioned the instructions part. Not attempted means that is negative marking question. So for example, he is attempted wrong answer, so I can provide here, for example, minus 2.5. This is two points, means what happened, 0.5 is a negative marking option. If you put like this, for example, he is right now 23 out of 40. When I am putting this is, it will comes 22.5 out of 40 it will comes. Of course I am not executing the real-time data where I can't execute all of now, but I am explaining for your reference. So after that just simply do it and save it, then immediately that will reflect on the screen. So I hope everyone understand how to do the quiz analysis and all. Thanks for listening. I request you to, before going to further video, I request all of you, before going to further video, I request all of you to attempt the Google quiz, which is provided in the video description part in the YouTube. Thanks for the listening, and thanks for providing the such a good opportunity for us. IIT Bombay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.